Have you ever sent a text to a woman, waited hours, maybe even days, only to get a dry K or worse? No reply at all. If that's ever happened to you, type yes in the comments. But if you've always had women eagerly waiting for your texts, type no, because I'd love to know your secret. Let's be real. Texting shouldn't feel like a battle, yet for many men it does. They send a message, check their phone every 5 minutes, feel their stomach drop when there's no response, and start over-analyzing every single word they typed. The worst part? The more you try, the more she seems to pull away. And that, my friend, is the problem. You see, most men text in a way that kills attraction without even realizing it. They either come off as too eager, too predictable, or too easy to ignore. But what if I told you that with just 3 small tweaks, you could flip the script? Instead of chasing her attention, you become the guy she can't stop thinking about, the guy whose messages she actually looks forward to. Today, we're breaking down 3 texting secrets women can't resist. These aren't pickup lines, they aren't tricks. They're psychological principles that work because they tap into what truly grabs a woman's attention. So if you're tired of being ignored and ready to make women excited to hear from you, stick around. This is going to change the way you text forever. Number 1, texts that arouse her curiosity. Imagine this: you text a woman, and instead of the usual dry response or no reply at all, she immediately texts back asking questions, eager to keep the conversation going. Sounds like a dream. It's not, it's science. Curiosity is one of the most powerful psychological triggers. When something piques your interest, your brain enters a curiosity state, a state where your mind craves information. This is why cliffhangers in movies work so well, why people can't resist opening a mystery box, and why some texts get an instant response while others get ignored. If you can spark curiosity in a woman's mind, she has to know more. And that's exactly what makes her respond. Most men, however, text in ways that completely kill curiosity. They send messages like, "I hope you're having a good day. How was your weekend? Hey, what's up?" Boring, predictable, easy to ignore. These messages give her no reason to reply because they don't create a gap in her knowledge. They don't make her feel like she's missing out on something important. Now, let's flip the script. Instead of giving her all the information up front, you hold back just enough to trigger curiosity. Try texts like, "I just realized something interesting about you. You won't believe what just happened to me today. You did something unexpected in my dream last night." These messages work because they leave her hanging. She has to ask, "What is it?" And that's when the conversation extends. But here's the key. When she asks for details, don't reveal everything at once. Slowly unravel the story. If she asks what happened, reply with something like, "It's actually kind of funny, but first tell me, have you ever had a moment where something random reminds you of someone in the weirdest way?" Now she's engaged, she's involved, she's investing. And when a woman invests, she becomes emotionally connected. Number 2, texts that create anticipation. If curiosity grabs her attention, anticipation keeps her thinking about you even when you're not texting. When a woman anticipates something exciting, her brain releases dopamine, the pleasure chemical. It's the same feeling people get before a vacation or birthday. The more she anticipates, the more invested she becomes. Most men fail because they give everything away at once. Their conversations become predictable. No excitement, no mystery. Instead of saying, "I got you something today," I planned a fun date for us. I have something to tell you. Try creating suspense. I saw something today that instantly reminded me of you. Want to guess what it was? I have a plan for Friday you're going to love, but first, do you like surprises? If I told you I noticed something really interesting about you, would you want to know what it is? This forces her to think, to guess, to respond. And when she replies, don't reveal it immediately. If she asks, what is it? Say something like, I could tell you now, but where's the fun in that? Take one guess first. Now she's hooked, anticipating your next reply. Number 3, genuine compliments. Most men think compliments make a woman like them, but the wrong compliment can do the opposite. Women hear generic lines constantly, especially about their looks. Telling a gorgeous woman, "You're beautiful," means nothing. She's heard it 100 times. It doesn't make you stand out. Instead, compliment the things most men never notice. Her mindset, her strengths, her energy. Replace these common generic compliments. You have beautiful eyes. You're so hot. You're stunning. With something deeper, I love the way you see the world. Most people don't think like you. The way you handle challenges is impressive. Not many people have that mindset. You make people feel comfortable around you. That's rare. These hit differently because they target who she is, not just how she looks. Compliment her character while it naturally fits the conversation, not randomly. When she talks about her goals, say, I respect how driven you are. Most people talk about dreams. You actually chase them. That's the kind of compliment she remembers. Putting it all together. Texting isn't just words, it's emotion. Every text should do one of 3 things. 1. Spark curiosity, make her wonder, ask questions. 2. Build anticipation, make her look forward to the next message. 3. Give genuine compliments, make her feel seen and appreciated. Do this and you're no longer another forgettable message in her inbox. You become the text she waits for. Women respond faster, stay engaged longer, and invest emotionally when you trigger these feelings. Master these techniques and you'll never stress about being ignored again.